So it has literally been like 6 months since I've vacuumed this thing, and I figured today would be a good day to show it some love, and I want to talk about something, and I want your guys' help. Hey, what is going on, guys? Donovan here, and in this video I want to talk about something embarrassing about my car. But before we get into it, if you're not already subscribed, remember to click that subscribe button. Join me on this little journey with this car that I don't really know what I'm doing with. That wasn't a very good sales pitch. So long story short, when we got this car, we had actually just put these wheels on my mom's white Charger. Now you guys have seen that Charger on the channel before, but it wasn't until a few months after we got those wheels that we put them on this car. And by the time that had happened, the damage had already occurred. Now I didn't put this in my 4 things wrong with my Charger video, and I don't remember why I didn't. But this is a big thing. So when my mom was doing a U-turn, she actually curbed the wheels pretty bad. And it's something I don't really show on video because it's kind of embarrassing. But as you can see, that's not even just a paint rub off, that's actually a scratch. And it is kind of chipping over here too. I don't know if that's related. That might just be the finish coming off the wheel. But as you can see, this wheel has seen better days. Now, I'm not putting the blame on my mom, but I'm not mad at her. There's no reason to be mad at her. It was an accident. She was actually very apologetic about it, so I couldn't be mad at her. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, I haven't shown these wheels as much love as I probably should have, and that's why I'm gonna try this stuff out, and I'm gonna do a video on it and see if it can save these poor things. But honestly, that's probably the most embarrassing thing about my car, and it's probably the thing that bothers me the most. So if you guys live in Southern California and you're familiar with any like mobile wheel repair guys, please let me know in the comments, because it really bothers me. I mean, just looking at this thing, you can see the, you can see the finish just peeling off, and it just kind of looks tacky. I was originally just gonna get the whole wheel powder coated black, but the last few months I've really remembered how much I like that beer, like copper, not copper, more like a bronze color. And so I want to keep that color. So of course there's gonna be some paint mixing there probably that needs to be done. But yeah, I know this wasn't the most eventful video, and I apologize for that, but I really wanted your guys' insight to see if you guys knew anyone that you trusted, because I really don't want it to come out wrong, because then I'll probably just have to powder coat the whole wheel, and that's gonna be $300-400 bucks. So yeah. So that's pretty much it. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, please remember to click that like button. And if you aren't already subscribed, click that subscribe button. And stay tuned for a bunch of content coming. We're gonna get a bunch of stuff done to this car, show it some love, and yeah. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.